I'm just videotaping. Right.
Oh, tits. Damn, Kent.
Double team.
Golly. That was like a crossfire.
Kent, I got him too.
Steven, what do you think about the situation here?
Do you have any other questions? I asked that like 3 times.
Hey guys, I hear him talking.
Come up with some more questions.
Steven, so who do you got on your team here?
We have B. Rizzle, K. Gay, and Aiden.
They got some pretty nice guns.
That's what she said. Can you see?
This is a AUG.
Wow! Shut up, Aiden!
Fully automatic assault rifle.
Your mom's an assault rifle!
Yeah.
Let's go kill some people. At point, and then everyone else is back here.
No, I'm tailing. I'm watching the back, yo. I'm a gangster.
What's your outtake on the situation?
We're probably gonna die. I'm hit!
Hit.
How many lives?
2. I'm already hit.
Wow.
Well, their whole team's out of ammo because they
I'm not.
ammo the entire beginning of the game.
I didn't.
I'm not at ammo.
And
Look it.
Steven's the only one not out of ammo.
No,
Brandon, you're not out.
Ow! Oh. No, I really seriously hit. Raise your hand.
Alright, cameraman getting hit here.
Ow! Okay, ow! God! Ah, hit.
Hayden, you got
Yeah.
this. Hayden, you got this.
It's like a showdown.
I'm out.
Hayden, you got this.
Out.